What's up guys, hope you have a nice day. So اليوم إن شاء الله سوف نتحدث حول قصة أو سأروي لكم قصة جيف بيزوس. Okay, the founder of Amazon، شركة أمازون الشهيرة لبيع المنتجات. فاليوم إن شاء الله هذه القصة سنرويها باللغة الإنجليزية، لكن أعدك أنك ستفهم كل شيء لأنني سأستعمل لغة إنجليزية بسيطة جدا، طفل صغير يمكنه أن يفهمها. أوكي، سأبسط كل شيء، سأستعمل فيديوهات، سأستعمل العديد من الصور، أصوات وأيضا أيقونات لكي تفهم. أوكي، وسأتحدث بلغة إنجليزية بطيئة ستمكنك من استمتاع بالقصة، وكيف أن جيف بيزوس صاحب شركة أمازون كيف انتقل بشركة من صفر، من لا شيء، إلى شركة تساوي أكثر من 1 تريليون دولار. أوكي، اليوم إن شاء الله سوف نناقش هذه القصة الرائعة جدا، ستستفيد الكثير من العبر إذا أردت إنشاء شركتك الخاصة، وأيضا سنتعلم اللغة الإنجليزية. Okay, so are you ready? Let's go. So there was a man named Jeff Bezos. What was his name? Yes, perfect. Jeff Bezos. His name was Jeff Bezos. So Jeff Bezos had a dream, had a goal. Okay? So his dream is to create an online store. To create what? Yes, nice. An online store, not an offline store. No, not offline store. He wanted to create an online store, a store on the internet. Okay, he wanted to create a store on the internet. Okay, an online store. So what was his dream? His dream was to create an online store. Okay, so he worked hard. He worked hard. Hard for a long time. Did he work hard for a long time or a short time? Yes, nice. For a long time. He worked hard for a very long time and eventually started a company called Amazon. What was the company's name? What was the company's name? Amazon. Yes, perfect. The company's name was Amazon. He put all his energy into the company. Did he put all his effort into the company? Yes, he put all his effort, he put all his energy into the company and kept improving it. At first, it wasn't easy. It is easy in the beginning? No, it wasn't easy. It's so hard, in fact. It's hard to build a company, hard. So Jeff had to invest all his money into the business and work hard to make it successful. But he never gave up. He learned from his mistakes and he kept improving. He kept improving slowly but surely. Did he keep improving slowly or very, very fastly? Yes, slowly but surely. And then Amazon began to grow. More and more people started using the website. Jeff hired more employees and expanded the company's product. And he even started selling the digital products like ebooks, films. Those are digital products, not physical products. For example, this is a physical products. Okay, but he started selling digital products also, digital like films and like ebooks. Okay, digital, not physical. Okay, not physical like this. Did he begin to sell digital products or not? Yes, he began to sell digital products also. So, and today, Amazon, one of the largest companies in the world, it sells everything. Sell, what is sell or selling? For example, I have a product, okay? I have a product. And you have money, okay? You have money, for example, this money, okay? You have money, I have products. You give me the money, I'll give you the products. So I sold to you the products, okay? I sold to you the product. When you have the product and I have the money, so I give you the money, you give me the products. So you sold me the product, okay? You sold me the product. And you are the seller and I am the buyer, okay? That's called commerce, okay? Or trading, okay? Selling and buying something. So Amazon sells everything from books and clothes to electronics and groceries. Everything. It's one of the biggest companies in the whole world. And Jeff Bezos is one of the richest people on this planet. But he never forgets the hard work, because the hard work is the secret of his success. That is the end of the story. أتمنى أن تكون قد أعجبتك القصة. فإذا أعجبتك لا تنسى الضغط على زر like. That's helped me a lot, okay? وإذا أردت شخصيات أخرى ناجحة اكتب لي اسمائهم في التعليقات وسأضع فيديوهات خاصة بهم. So that's all. See you.